Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money using Gumroad. Gumroad is an online platform that allows creators to sell their digital products directly to their audience. If you are a creator looking to make money with Gumroad, here are 10 ways so you do. After creating the account, and you should create the account, here you find some categories to so you choose what are you good at: the 3D art, the design, drawing and painting, software development, self-improvement, fitness and health. We have photography, music and sound, design. We have writing, publishing, education, fiction books, audio, comic and graphics novel, business, money, and we have films, recorded music, and the gaming. So everyone is rushing to gaming. Wait till you hear the ways of gaining money. So the first way is to sell digital products. Yes, as I said, it's an online store. You can sell your digital products. That's the purpose of the website. So Gumroad is a great platform to sell digital products such as ebooks, audio files, video courses, and more. The second way is to create a membership site. You can use Gumroad to create a membership site and charge a monthly fees for access to exclusive content. So the third way is to sell physical products. Gumroad isn't just for digital products, as I said. You can also sell physical products such as merchandise, artwork, or other tangible item. The fourth way is offer pre-order. If you have a product that is still in the development phase, you can use Gumroad to offer pre-orders to your audience. So the fifth way is to sell services. If you are a consultant, a coach, or a freelancer, like here we have fitness and health. They are looking for a coach to help them. So Gumroad, you can use it to sell your service directly to your clients. The sixth way is bundle products. Create product bundles and offer them at a discount price to encourage your customers to buy more. The seventh way is offer coupons and discounts. Gumroad allows you to create custom coupons and discounts to encourage your customers to purchase your products. And if they liked the way you treat them, they will be back with more. The eighth way is affiliate marketing. You can use Gumroad affiliate marketing feature to create a network of affiliates who will promote your products in exchange for a commission. The ninth way, and before the last one, is sell your products on other platforms. Gumroad integrates with other platforms such as WordPress or Patreon and YouTube, allowing you to sell your products on multiple channels. The last way is crowdfunding. Gumroad also offers crowdfunding feature, allowing you to raise funds for your creative products. So overall, Gumroad is a powerful platform for creators to monetize their content and build a sustainable income stream. With the flexibility to sell digital and physical products, offer services, create membership sites, and even crowdfund, there are countless ways to make money with Gumroad. Here I just showed you the tip, the start. So here we have more. And by more you can still choose, like we see here, uh, writing and publishing. You can still click others, see the best selling products, other things. We have VBoost, model shop, we have hot and new product, ChatGPT for finance. I think that's a book. You see the prices. Here we have a membership example. And here you can see you can get inspiration. So those are like NFTs. We have audio. Can you can't listen. You have to buy to listen to those. We have business and money, comic graphics and news for kids. Not all for kids, just kid. Just the design look childish. And this is for acquiring people. So here we have the drawing and painting. Here we have education, chess, not no. What is group? Checkers group. Did I just try to read group from the the right? No, no, I can't read R. So here we have sport bets. Here, Chris Johnson, close family and friend. How how did he just created the page? He is selling his Instagram. Okay, this is weird. We have school, machine learning school, forex, smart money concept, and others. Here we have books, fiction books. We have films, cinematic drawing for animation and comics, submachines, and others. Can still see this. Here we have all gaming. Okay. Okay, this is weird, but people are making money from this. So, yeah, this is a little weird, but you can still buy these characters. Here we have the music and sound design, music, writing and publishing. You can still view all here, but to view all those 4 hours class plus redemption collection, do not detain, do not delay list. Wait a minute. The ultimate investor list and others.